Infinity Drain site-sizable linear drain systems allow for adjustment of the drain's channel on site, as well as placement of the outlet anywhere along the run of the channel. This video shows the installation of the S-TIF 65 with an offset outlet. The components shown are the contents of the S-TIF 65 complete kit. Determine the location of the drain outlet and cut a hole in the subfloor. Typically, linear drains should span from wall to wall. Create a pre-slope layer for the shower pan. Install drain body into floor and attach to the existing waistline. Apply clear PVC primer and clear PVC cement to the PVC drain and waistline and affix together. Spread a primary mortar bed across the shower area. Slope this layer in all directions toward the drain body at 1/4 inch per foot. After the mortar layer is dry, apply adhesive and spread waterproofing membrane as per manufacturer's instructions and local code. Reattach the top clamp down plate to the drain body over the waterproofing membrane using bolts. Install the backerboard layer on all shower walls. Standard installation will result in a strip of material between the finished wall and linear drain. For flush against the wall installations, a double layer of backerboard should be used. Measure the desired wall-to-wall length, allowing for wall tile thickness, thinset, and 3/16 of an inch for both stop ends. Then determine the outlet location, accounting for wall tile thickness, thinset, and 1/16 of an inch for one stop end. Mark the outlet location on the base of the G65 PVC channel. Using a 2 1/4 inch hole saw, cut out a hole for the S50 threaded outlet. Dry fit all components. Apply clear PVC primer and clear PVC cement to the PVC stop ends and channels and affix together. For the tile and frame insert, measure the inside length of the channel and cut 5 inches from one end of the TA65 grate and set aside. Cut the remainder of the TA65 grate on the open side to the measured length of the inside channel minus 5 inches. Length measurements of the TA65 grate should be taken from the outside feet. Join the desired cut length to the 5-inch end using the provided screws and TIF plates and tighten. Temporarily conceal the gap on the bottom of the TA65. When a finishing material of less than 3/4 inch is being used, the inside of the TA65 grate should be built up using mortar. Allow for the thickness of thinset and the finishing material. Once mortar is dry, lay finishing material into the TA65 grate with thinset. Ensure the channel is completely level. Using the desired floor material, mark the thickness of the material along the channel so that the material will finish 1/16 inch above the channel. Account for the thinset below. Measure the inside length and width dimensions of the channel. Cut a piece of lumber to these measurements, then insert the lumber into the channel to prevent channel flexing during the remaining installation of mortar and finishing material. Spread a final mortar bed across the shower area up to the height marked on the channel. This mortar bed should be sloped in one direction towards the linear drain. After the mortar bed is dry, lay thinset and tile to the edge of the PVC channel. Do not allow the tile to finish on top of the PVC channel. We offer the broad selection of decorative choices and installation options that are proudly fabricated in Long Island, New York.